Continue, dear children. I have prepared the supply function, written it clearly for you. Supply function, children, is defined or shows the functional relationship between quantity supplied for a particular commodity and the factors influencing it. So, what are the factors that influence supply? They are with respect to individual supply as well as market supply. And for your benefit, I have written all the factors. Here, with respect to one firm, we call it as an individual supply function. With all firms, we call it a market supply function. We will first do the individual supply function and the individual supply curve. Then we will talk about the market supply function and the market supply curve. So, talking about the individual supply function, individual supply function refers to the functional relationship between supply and factors affecting the supply of a commodity. What does it mean? It means on what factors supply is dependent upon, is function of, and supply is indicated by the symbol capital S. And since we are talking about individual firm, that firm has been labeled as firm X. Hence, a subscript X has been placed next to capital S. So, supply is a function of capital PX. PX stands for price of a given commodity. Commodity is X. Then PO. PO stands for prices of other goods. Then PF. PF stands for prices of factors of production. Then ST. ST stands for state of technology. Then T stands for taxes. Then G, goals of the firm. So these are the various factors on which the supply of any commodity depends. So supply function basically means that supply is dependent upon all these factors. With respect to individual supply function, we are just talking about commodity X, but that does not mean that only one factor has to be taken into account. In order to produce any commodity, large number of factors have to be taken alongside, and we have mentioned all these factors here. Then to explain it further, we have the individual supply schedule and the individual supply curve. So, what does the individual supply schedule indicate? It indicates the quantity supplied by a firm at different prices. The price column is here on the left hand side, and the quantity supplied by of good X is written on the right side of this table. So at rupee 1, the firm supplies 5 kgs or 5 units of the commodity X. At 2, it increases to 10. At 3 rupees per unit, the supply of the commodity goes up to 15 units. At 4 rupees per unit, the supply is 20 units, and at 5 rupees per unit, the supply is 25 units. Now here, when you plot it, you find a rising curve. The supply curve shows a positive relationship between the price of the commodity and its quantity supplied. When price rises, the quantity supply will also rise. Then we come to it's written very clearly, the individual supply curve. It refers to the graphical relationship of supply schedule. That is why we have drawn it alongside. Now come to market supply function. It refers to the functional relationship between supply and factors affecting supply of the commodity. And this has been given by the following equation. We have the same factors that have been given here in the individual supply schedule till this point. Thereafter, we have added a few more. The goals of the firm, after the goals of the market, it becomes goals of the market. N here stands for number of firms in the market. F stands for your total factors of production, and M stands for the the means of communication. The market supply schedule has been plotted or made for your benefit. For the sake of simplicity, we assume that there are only two firms in the market, firm A and firm B, and we have taken the total amount supplied by these firms at the different prices from 1 to 5 rupees per unit, and here we have the market supply schedule. As price increases, more will be supplied in the market, and therefore we have the rising supply curves. We have the single supply curve of firm A, the supply curve of firm B, and MS stands for market supply curve. So we find that they are all rising curve, indicating a positive relationship between price of the commodity and quantity supplied. Children, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. God bless you all.